Okay guys, so I'm putting up my fidget toys. My table's kind of a wreck right now because I just made some homemade fidget toys. So here's my first one. This is going to go, it's homemade too guys. It's going to go in my pink box over here. So I'm putting that there. And I'll put the pink one there with it. And same with this red one. Have 3 of them. Wait, hang on, I gotta sit y'all down real quick so I can make room for it. So they're all put up nice and neat. I'm going to put this extra balloon and with it just in case when I make another one. I'm gonna close that now. And now I'm gonna get my little box. Kind of has something stuff in it. So this is it's a ring pressure ring thingy. This is gonna go in the bin thingy over here because it's tiny and it can fit through the hole. So first I'm gonna put this in. I'll say all the names for them like later on in another video. Hang on, I gotta put y'all down again so I can put the things up. If you don't know what it is, I'll say all the names for all the fidget toys because I'm getting more tomorrow. And I'm also making some. So this is one I actually made last night. So what you do is just move the beads around. It's actually really fun. So I'm going to put that right there. Oh, I gotta put y'all down. So sorry. I'm trying to tidy up. And I also got this. This is gonna go in the little box thingy. No, actually it's gonna go in the bin. Same with this pink one I got. It's a monkey thing in it. Yeah. And then I have this thing. So what it does, it's like this right now or whatever thing. Flip the camera. Then it turns right. Oh, it fell. I'm trying to do it, but okay, here's the next one. Like underneath this is that, yeah. So I'm putting it in here. Yeah, it can't fit through. So I'm putting that there and there. Okay, I gotta put y'all down. Ooh, next is my favorite toy. Let me flip. This is it. This is big, so it's gonna go in the bin. Well, let's make some fidget toys. Watch out.